Hi guys, it's Dave with howtostopsnoring.org, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the nose vents that we talk about on our website. Now, a nose vent is just something that keeps your nasal passages open so that you can breathe easier at night and you don't have that restricted airflow going through your nose. We've talked before, there are three types of snorers. There's the nasal snore, the throat snore, and the tongue snorer. The nasal vents are for, obviously, the nasal snorer. It's going to hold your nostrils open. It's good for congestions if you've got a cold or allergies, things like that. So if that's what's causing your snoring, you'll find that these are very helpful. So depending on where you get them, they'll come in a package. And then they'll normally have several different sizes in here. You can see small, large, very small. These look like children's. Anyway, they're made of medical grade silicone. And as you can see, they're hollow, and they've got a little, that's what they look like. So how you use these things is you just take them and they go right up your nose. There, and it holds your nose open. You guys gotta look right up my nose. How do you like that? And it holds your nose open, and you don't have to worry about inhaling them, choking on them. They don't. You've got the little bridge right there that holds them in place. But it's going to expand your nostrils so that you can get a full breath when you sleep at night. So like I said, they're good for congestion. If you're a nose snorer, if you've got a deviated septum, things like that. This is a good option for you if you snore. Again, take them out when you wake up. Care for them, wash them in warm water, soapy warm water. Super easy. But we're all kind of familiar with the nasal strips, the Breathe Right's popular brand. You put them over the bridge of your nose and it pulls your nostrils open, and it does basically the same thing, just not quite as effectively. So it depends on how bad your congestion is, how bad your deviated septum is, whether this is going to work for you or not. So if you've tried the strips, they don't work, you're a nose snorer, you're congested, try the vents. They work really good. These are actually from a company that's no longer in business. Just to let you know, I've tried to get all of their links off of my site, but it's Zen. Zen Sleep is the name of the company. They went out of business. So if you click on one of their links, you're not going to get anywhere. Try to take them off of my site. I think I got them all, but maybe not. If you see something that says Zen Sleep, Zen Vents, anything with Zen on it, it's not going to work. There's other options on the site too, so don't worry. We've got plenty of some different options for you. So anyway, that's how the nose vents work, and we're going to leave it at that. And I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for stopping by. Good night.